In Islamic dream interpretation, seeing oneself flying an airplane in a dream can have various interpretations depending on the context and details of the dream. Here are a few possible interpretations. Achieving goals or ambitions. Flying an airplane in a dream might symbolize that you are on a path toward achieving your goals, ambitions, or desires. Just as a pilot takes control of an airplane to reach a destination, you may be in control of your life's journey and making progress. Feeling in control. Dreaming of flying an airplane can represent a sense of control and